all the pickles. How can we have a restaurant if we run out of food to serve?
Serve to who? No one's coming.
You're right. I wish somebody would come by.
Excuse me, is this the Pickle Cafe?
The cat!
The cat in the hat!
And a hungry cat at that. You have a table for me?
Yes, sir. This way, please.
Why, thank you. What's on the menu today?
Pickles. Try one.
Oh! Crunch-arific! Gee, nice waiters, great food. Why aren't there more people here?
Well, you're the only one who came.
Only me? What a shame. What a waste of perfect pickles. We simply must bring people here to try your food.
Okay, how do we do that?
My friend Eddie knows lots about bringing people to food. He's a honey guide bird in Quantum-Array, you know.
Maybe Eddie can tell us how to bring more people.
Can we go, please?
Of course. Your mother will not mind at all if you do.
Mom!
Oh,
Oops.
hi, kids. Everything okay at the restaurant?
Not exactly. Nobody's coming.
Can we go to meet a honey guide bird in Quantum-Array to learn how to bring more people?
Quantum-Array? Sure, go ahead.
Thanks, Mom. We can go! We can go!
I know! To the thingamajigger!
Why do humans need help finding food anyway? Goldfish never have that problem. Ours floats right on the top of the water.
Buckle up! Flick the jigger, my wizard! Isn't this fun? Here we go, 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 go! On an adventure, the thingamajigger is up and away!
Go, 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 go! On an adventure, we're flying with the cat in the hat today!
We're off to the woodlands of Quantum-Array to learn to bring folks to the Pickle Cafe.
Here we go, 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 go! On an adventure, go, 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 go!
Welcome to Quantum-Array!
Yay!
Eddie! Oh, Eddie!
Look!
Well, fluff my feathers. It's Cat!
Nice to see you. Eddie, meet Nick and Sally.
Hi!
Hello!
Hi, Sally. Hi, Nick. So pleased to meet you. Did you have a good trip?
Yes, it was fine.
Are you hungry?
No thanks. I'm full of pickles.
Oh, well, maybe later. So, what brings you to Quantum-Array?
We were hoping you could help us. Nobody's coming to eat in our restaurant.
And Kat said you know how to bring people to food.
Oh, you bet your beak I do. I was just on my way somewhere, but if you tag along, I'll tell you everything you need to know.
Okay, thanks, Eddie.
Oh, my pleasure. Let's get going.
Yes, sir.
This looks like a good spot.
For what?
For this.
Wow, what was that?
That's my attention-getting sound. The one I use when I have news to share about food.
Ooh, like a new recipe?
I bet Eddie makes that sound to tell people that he knows where the food is, right?
Bingo!
Do you think making noise could bring people to our restaurant?
Just might. Go on, give it a try. Not bad. But maybe you could make up your own special sound to get people's attention.
Well, I could do this.
Good.
Oh, and how about this noise?
Yeah, yes, that's the idea. Hang on to those. You'll want them for the show.
Huh? What show?
Let's find out.
Ladies and gentlemen, cats in hats, now that I have your attention, are you ready for the greatest show in quantum array?
Yay!
Great! By the way, you're all in the show, too.
Ooh, did I miss rehearsal?
Don't worry, you'll pick it up in no time. Ho, ho, ho! Hee, hee, hee! Fall in line and follow me. Step in time, step to the beat. Step this way for a tasty treat. What are you waiting for? Come on!
Ho, ho, ho! Hee, hee, hee! Fall in line and follow me. Step in time, step to the beat. Step this way for a tasty treat.
Oh, yes! Brilliant! Stupendous! I'll follow you guys anywhere.
Is that how you get people to follow you to food?
Oh, you bet! Everyone loves a show.
Would that work for us?
Sure it would. Now, come on. We're almost there.
Almost where?
It's a surprise.
Oh, I just love surprises. I like surprises a lot better when they're not uphill.
Ooh. We made it!
Ooh.
You sure did. And I bet the climb made you hungry. Would you like a snack? Like maybe some honey?
Yes, please.
Oh, yummy!
Great! Here it is. This bee's nest is chock full of honey. But getting it out is your job.
Our job?
It's called teamwork, folks. I already did my part by guiding you to the honey.
So that's why you're called a honey guide bird.
Yep, and now I need you to get some food for us to share. So hop to it.
Wait a second. You brought us all the way out here just so you could get some honey?
Of course not. I want the beeswax, not the honey.
But we thought you were showing us how to bring people to our food.
Well, I was. And I did it by bringing you to my food. Smart, huh?
My, he is clever.
But why do you need us to get you some food?
Well, because I'm not strong enough to break off any beeswax by myself. But a big, strong human could do it.
Huh?
Or a big, strong cat.
Well, I am rather muscly.
Won't the bees mind if we take their beeswax?
I'll ask. Buzz, buzz. Buzz, buzz. Buzz, buzz. Buzz, 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 buzz. Buzz, 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 buzz. Buzz. Buzz, 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 buzz. Good news! They're happy to share in exchange for some fun. The bees want a show by Thing 2 and Thing 1.
What are those smoky things for?
Oh, smoke makes bees feel all warm and fuzzy. They love it. But don't try this at home. The things are expert bee pleasers. Of course. Bees appreciate talent.
And I appreciate beeswax. Let's check out that nest.
Wow! This is one big bee's nest.
Yummy.
So much honey. Too bad we don't have any toast to spread it on.
Who said we don't?
Whoa!
Yum.
And here's your beeswax, Eddie. Thanks for your help today.
And thanks for yours, too. Oh, teamwork. What a sweet deal. Bye, everyone. Good luck bringing people to your food.
We won't need luck. Thanks to you, we know just what to do. Bye, Eddie. Thank you.
See you later.
Bye-bye. Isn't it funny? Isn't it great how birds and humans cooperate? People and honey guides strike up a deal. When they work together, they both get a meal.
All this talk about food is getting me hungry. Time for a fish flake break.
Ho, 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 hee, hee, hee. Fall in line and follow me. Step in time, step to the beat. Step this way for a tasty treat.
Oh, very nice. That's a great way to drum up business for your restaurant.
We thought it might get your attention.
Would you like a pickle?
Ooh, I'd love one.
I might need a little help.
No problem. There.
Thanks, Mom. Hey, they're half gone.
Huh?
Cruncherific!
Will we ever find the treasure, Nick?
We have to get through this jungle first, Sally.
I see it! There's the treasure!
But we have to cross this massive river to reach it.
And it's full of snappy crocodiles. We can swing over the river using this.
I'll go first. Here I go!
Let me try.
Whoa!
Watch out! Whoa! That was close. The crocodiles nearly got me.
What are we going to do? We can't swing across to reach the treasure.
Did someone say treasure?
It's the cat.
The Cat in the Hat.
What are you doing?
We're playing Brave Explorers.
Only we can't swing across the river.
Swing, you say? Why, it's easy. I'll show you how. Throw the rope over.
Huh!
Up. Whee! A crocodile got my tail. It's a good thing I know the king of swing.
A king?
Yes, Charlie the chimpanzee in the leafy LeFou rainforest. He can give us all a swinging lesson.
A swinging lesson from a chimpanzee? Cool.
Your mother will not mind at all if you do.
Mom, can Nick and I go to the leafy LeFou rainforest to take a swinging lesson from a chimpanzee?
Leafy LeFou rainforest? Sure, so long as you swing back in time for dinner.
We will.
We can go! We can go!
I know! To the thingamajigger! Buckle up! Flick the jigger, my wizard! Isn't this fun? Here we go, 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 go! On an adventure, the thingamajigger is up and away!
Go, 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 go! On an adventure, we're flying with the Cat in the Hat today!
We're off to meet Charlie and swing through the trees, up high and down low, like wild chimpanzees.
Here we go, 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 go! On an adventure, go, 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 go!
There it is, the leafy LeFou rainforest.
Yippee!
Charlie! Hello? Anybody home?
Fish! Good to see you, Charlie. You too. Hey, Cat, what's up?
I brought my friends Sally and Nick to see you.
Hey there.
Hi, Charlie.
We were hoping you could give us a swinging lesson.
Me? Sure. I love swinging almost as much as I love bananas. Oh, I love bananas. I'll show you how I swing while we look for some.
Okay, yeah.
Huh?
Just a minute there, son. You're not going anywhere till you've been groomed.
Ma, do I have to?
Yes.
Grooming? What's that?
Grooming means keeping yourself clean and neat.
I don't need grooming. When you live in a bath, you're always clean.
Come on.
Oh.
You too.
Us?
Who else?
What exactly are you looking for?
Bugs!
Yuck!
Grooming is a good way to keep clean and free of bugs.
My mom likes me to stay clean too. Only I use shampoo. This is way more fun.
Right. And we all get to spend family time together too.
Nope. No. Nothing. Uh-oh, wait a minute.
Huh?
No, false alarm.
Cat!
All clear. No bugs here.
But what about you, Cat? You haven't been groomed.
You say I need grooming? What shall I do? I've got it. I'll whistle up thing 1 and thing 2. I wondered what happened to Rubber Ducky. Thanks, guys. I knew I had a niche there somewhere.
All done here.
Woohoo!
Swing time!
Yeah, let's go find some bananas. Bye, Mom.
Take care, everyone.
We will.
Phew. Walking like a chimp is really hard to do. I prefer walking on 2 legs.
Well, I can do that too. Watch me. But why walk when you can swing?
Yay!
Your turn. Oh, come on, you can do it. Grab the vine, run at the log, jump up, and hang on tight.
Okay. Woo! Hey, I did it!
Hooray!
Maybe we can learn to swing like a chimp. There. Whoa! Hey, I can do it!
Swing so fast, swing so high, swing me up into the sky!
Cat!
I forgot to hang on tight.
Itchy, itchy. Itchy.
I know that itchy, scratchy dance. You landed next to a termite mound.
Termites? Oh, sorry, little fellas.
Oh, huh?
What are you doing, Charlie?
Using the stick to catch termites, they're yummy.
You mean you eat them? Ugh.
Sure, they're almost as good as bananas.
No!
You wouldn't. You couldn't. Why, some of my best friends are termites.
Well, okay. I like bananas better anyway.
We'll help you find some. Yeah, and where there's bananas, there's got to be good places to swing.
You got that right. Come on.
Wait up, Charlie.
Hiya!
How does he do that? I know. Charlie has good climbing hands. They look a lot like ours. So we should be good at gripping things too, right? And look, Charlie uses his feet too, not just his hands. We can't use our feet like that, but we can wrap our legs around. Let's try swinging over that big log. Ready? Yahoo! Ugh.
That's it! You did it!
Cool! Just like a chimpanzee.
Wait for me! Ah! Oops. Sorry, Mr. Snake. I thought you were a vine.
What was that?
That was me. That's the sound I make when I'm excited. I was trying to tell my mom we found lots of bananas.
Yummy!
I hope she can hear me.
But how are we going to get them? The bananas are way over there.
Now that's a really big swing.
Do you think we can make it across?
Whoa, guys, that's too big a swing for you.
Tell me if you please, is it too far for chimpanzees?
Stand back and watch me.
Go, Charlie!
Come to Charlie. Hoo-ah!
A chimpanzee really is the king of swing. Way to go, Charlie!
Oh, I love bananas. Bananas.
Thanks! And thanks for the swinging lesson, Charlie. We can swing really well now, using our hands and our feet.
Thanks to you, too.
Who are chimps like? I'll tell you who. Chimpanzees are much like you. With hands that grip and groom and play, they swing through trees and like to say,
Look out for the snake! Whoa! Whee! Wahoo! Woo! Yeah! Cat!
ta-da!
You found the treasure! What is it? Gold? Diamonds?
Something even better. Bananas! Ah!